Here we are in a village called Nyagasasa, if I said that right, in the Commune of Mugamba, I think it was, like someone mentioned. It's the village here. If I said that name wrong, please forgive me. I meant to say it right. So up on the mountains a little bit. Really like what they do with in the far distance. You can see on the mountains they kind of do terraces. It's nice. That's the road down there. You see the people walking. We're just off that road. We're about, I think, like an hour and a half from Bujumbura. It's hard to tell because the roads are rough and there's a lot of holes and stuff, and so sometimes we're slowing down and whatnot, but that's what it looks like anyways. The road's a little rough coming out here. It's I forget what road it is, to be honest. I thought it was the RN3, but it might not be. And there's no data out here. So I tried to pin it to look at the map, see where exactly it was. And of course I can't do that. No data. There's a truck flying by there. That over there in the far distance probably is a school, I think. There'll be a few small shops there and houses down kind of on the main road. But yeah, so there you go. This is Nyagasasa.